same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, just the 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage and they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in a win. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merch. 6 figures was a goal, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, now I swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt, that's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, I the nosebleed. I see the hate, they don't want same circle, still the same gang. We just get to it, we don't gangbang. Lost some friends, to the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in the lost somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type it Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter rant. I lose $1, bet I get it back like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on a ring. I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same. But they got morals, I'll be damned if they sell it for change. They won't sell out a thing. I lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means. I trust in God, won't be $1 that can make me change. I got that power, I could get anything. I got that power, I could get anything. Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. I got an itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist. VVS is on the neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit 100K. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good say grace. Eat her up, get thanks, she got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, came up from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back end. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do roll, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my outfits legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip but no never trip. Talk talk and keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the whip. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when he is sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when he is sick. Keep making that money flip. DD, that's me. DD, that's me. DD, that's me. DD, You wear a hat, they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3, I be missed for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a
Recording
dirt
in
bike.
progress.
My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you're looking for problems. So don't try to play around, don't try to play with them. My brothers out with the drama. 4 to 5 nights on the road, counting the days till I'm home. I could do show, but nothing is better than home. Driving through nights I'm alone, counting the days till I'm home. I've been on road, I'm on go, but nothing is better than home. Clicking my heels like I'm Dorothy. I need new hobbies, it's boring me. Play all my kids and it's water me. I see new loafers, I'm ordering.
Good morning, YouTube.
I feel on top to top. Shipping a pop by pop. Still young in my 20s, I celebrate.
Alright, let me turn this music down. Oh, I can barely hear it though. Alright, so, looking at gold on a daily, like we got some bullish momentum going on right now. Where's this? So daily resistance. Got our daily support. Let's take a look at it for an hour. Alright, so we've got a daily support, 4-hour support here. 4-hour support. We got one more down here. And one more down here. Alright. For our resistance here, which could be a possible rejection for sales, but we'll see. Alright, and we got another resistance here on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the H1 time frame. Bullish closure. Support. 30. And all right, so now we have a 1 hour demand here. I am going to be watching this on the 15 and in 1 hour. So as of right now, I am anticipating buys. I will be looking for buys. Higher time frame is still bullish. However, lower time frame is still bearish. Short term bearish, lower time frame, and long term bullish on a lower time frame. Because once we break above pretty much 2404 on Forex, then we are back bullish, and we'll have a break of this major structure on the 15, because this high created this low pretty much at 2370. Decided to start testing one-to-one on the futures account that I'm trying to grow. And I actually took where is it? Yeah, but on the 1 hour though. And so this is the 1 hour chart. 90 pips stop loss, 90 pips TP. That's it. Oh no, I didn't check this though. I was just pretty much, this was a paper trade. Trying to see what will happen. Didn't take Euro steady. Nice shot in the thumbnail, thank you. So if we look at it 1 hour here, we'll go back to the 15-minute. I'm pretty much waiting for this just for the pullback, and then we'll look to take buys. That is what I'm looking for now, because we got a bullish momentum currently going on. And we have a demand right here to the left. That's where this rejection came from. And price is now pretty much doing this. Created a high, low. On the 1 hour, we've not created a high yet because we need a resistance to be formed on the 1 hour. Maybe we'll get it here, and then we'll just wait for the pullback, pretty much another support to be formed, and then we look to take the buys going back up. So we'll see. Will it go to 2412 if the resistance break 2412? What do we have to the left? Okay, there is a supply ceiling there. Is that 2412? Oh, 2408. If it breaks 2404, man, this thing should go back to the next, I think, pretty much the daily resistance towards there. We should get to 2422, 2420, 2422. That's what I'm anticipating here.
That's the all-time high, right?
Yeah.
It shouldn't get to the all-time high before NFP.
I'm saying
Logically speaking.
there will be a pullback if we break 2404. Eventually, that's where this is heading to. Wait, is that the all-time high? No, it's not the all-time high. No.
Okay, never mind.
No. Yeah, I'm tripping. Not the all-time high. Find this one-on-one and see. It's taking everything in me not to freaking take the trade, not to close the trade. But I already took partials on Forex though.
Oh. Alright.
I'm 100% confident in buys. Question is, can we get it set up? You get a hold up of this resistance, but that's going to give us the pullback we need. I don't see this breaking the lows. The demand might not hold, but this 4-hour support is not breaking. So we get a pullback, we look to take the buys. Especially with this break, this minor high break that we have right now. This. Oh man, I forgot to do this. Man, YouTube, your boy has been on a losing streak. I've been on a 6 straight winning streak, losing streak 6. So, see if we're gonna break that losing streak today.
Tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend.
Thank you, PN.
It's a competitive, super competitive guy. He's got to have the best winning streak. He's got to have the best losing streak. He's got to have all the titles.
I need them all. Thank you, Vivian. Thank you.
Tired of guessing what's wrong with your YouTube videos? Well,
No, I don't want. Nothing is wrong with my YouTube videos. Thank you. Good morning, Al.
Damn, John is you passed top step chunk, but you don't want to pay the activation fee? God damn.
Doesn't want to spend that money.
But it is true. Trading your own account is the best at the end.
Yes, there's really nothing like it. Because all this, whenever you fail a challenge, I mean, it's because it's a challenge. You really did fail. It's not like you blew the account. You didn't blow the account. If you have the same amount, even though you're down 10%, who says you cannot make that 10% back? But because it's a challenge, if you lose 10%, then that's it. You're done. That's how you know that your maximum drawdown is actually what you funded. If you get 100K account or your maximum drawdown is 10K, that's actually what you have.
That's why all those the size of the account, it's just a marketing scam. It's like, this is a 150K account. It's like, no, it's not.
Yeah. With gold, I know we do have, especially on the 4-hour, there is a minor resistance here, which gold could get to, and then we could reverse from there. But I am going to wait for the buys. That's why I'm not using it. You know what? Let's just add it on there. But if we reject, I'm not going to take a sell. I will be waiting for buys. So we'll leave it on here for now. And once we get the rejection, if we do tap it, I'm going to take it off. See that this 1 hour demand, or even the 15-minute, the one that we have just right here. I don't think we got a 30-minute demand there. Nah. So that'll be cool. Dang, give that 1-to-1, damn it. How many pips away? 20. Wow, should I close?
Honestly, if it was me, I would probably close most of it because we're right at the POC. We're like maybe 5 pips from the POC.
I wonder 1-to-1. What's that, Lucian? It's just reacting to the 1 hour supply. It's not gonna hold.
Yeah, can be fuel for the buyers stop losses.
Yeah, it's not gonna hold. The same thing gold did when we were looking for sales earlier. Right here, when we're looking at it, it just played around. Let me move to how we played around. Trick sellers right here played around at this supply. and then just continue to the upside. Could do that again on the at that 1 hour supply. So I'm gonna hold it. Plus, it's gonna go back anyways. Hey, good morning, Denny. How you doing? Oh, Powell family, what's up? I got 100K Alpha futures. See if I can pass that one too. How's your 100K Top Step doing? Well, doing good?
Yeah, it's doing good. I tried getting a 100K one when they had that special going on their YouTube thing.
Mm-hmm.
I fucked it up.
Oh.
I fucked that one up. So I'm like, oh, okay, I'll just stick with the 150K I got.
Yeah, it happens. You just entered a short 15-minute supply. Okay. All right. 15 minutes supply. Hey, you're talking about this one? If you're talking about 15 minutes, it's too deep in the range. Now, if you say 1 hour supply, then 1 hour supply is the best supply here. 30 minutes, it's not that clean. 1 hour is clean. I don't see this supply holding. I could be wrong though. I just don't see it holding. And if it does, man, just get your money real quick and be out, because this thing is gonna go back up.
Yeah, we have some big buyers here that they are trapped there. And then a big buyer here. I think it's the same one. This one with this one.
Yeah.
Man, leave Don alone.
Is there any Top Step promos on now? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think they have any promos right now.
Yeah, I haven't seen any since that 100K promo for their like 100,000 subscribers or whatever it was.
Mm-hmm. One thing I noticed is that futures promo, like prop firm promos, it doesn't last long compared to Forex. Forex, they're always doing 10% here, 15% there, 20% there. Oh, except for Apex. Apex,
I was just about to...
Apex, they stay doing promo.
Man, they're permanently on promo.
As they know, majority of people is gonna, what do they call it? It's gonna blow it. Top Step has a permanent discount to all accounts. Yes, they do. Yeah. So they don't do promos all the time. It's already discounted pretty much. Still
Honestly, if you're
49 for
getting
50K? Yes. Still $49. What are you saying?
I was just gonna say, if you're getting the Top Step X version of whatever Top Step's offering, then I think it's, you know, it's worth it because the platform itself is like, you know, you'd have to pay TradingView anyway, you know, so you're basically just paying them.
Yeah. That's why I had no problem trying out alpha futures. And now I just need to try and get to a payout.
Very nice.
But this losing streak we had didn't help at all. And I didn't take the one I'm currently in right now. I didn't take it on alpha futures. Just took it on mine and my Forex account and Alpha Capital Forex.
Man, with the losing streak from Friday, man, I can imagine some people must have you know, blew their accounts because one person already said they did. So
OM.
was it OM?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, I don't blow my account, but from Friday I increase my risk. Every time I increase my risk, man. I increase my lot size.
Yeah, man. That's why I like to pretty much only increase my lot size if I've taken the account to at least 50% of what my capital was. So I'll do it every 50%. Because I don't want to keep increasing it just because I'm up 5% or 10%. No, I don't want to keep doing it that way. I need at least 50%.
I will keep now. I keep the risk the same.
You're not the only one that does that, though. That's pretty much how a lot of traders trade. Once they up, let's say they took a trade, let's say a 10K account, and then they maybe made $500, and this lot size was 1. Next trade, we're like, okay, I'm up 10.5, so I'm gonna use 2 standard. No, you don't have to do it that way. Just keep doing what you're doing. Just imagine that you don't have this, but you still have 10K in your account. Just keep using your 1 standard, following maybe 2% risk, right? Now, you could be trading less than 2%. You could be risking less than 2% because you're still making profit. But guess what? You're still protecting your capital, even if you're trading less than 2%. Now, when you get your account to at least 50%, now you can increase your lot size. Because you're gonna make withdrawals. Now, you're not gonna make withdrawals. So you want to keep it at a minimum. That's a recommendation. Except if you're trying to, flip your account or something, which I don't recommend.
No, I increase my lot size because I triple the account. And now it's back to double.
That's good on money trades.
I not increase every when it's double the account. I increase the lot size.
Okay.
And on challenges and profit, when I'm 5% down, I go to 0.5 till I go back up, and then 1 point to 1.5.
Mhm.
Always you need to have at least 10 trades. If you're down 8% and you're left with 2%, you divide by 10 and this is your risk. Always you need to have for 10 trades.
Yeah.
Because if you have less 2% your drawdown and you risk 1%, you have 2 trades and you can lose your account. And now without the time limit,
Very much.
you need 2 months to bring it up, but
Oh, Ethan lost his FTMO. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I think it was Ethan who said it the other day.
Is it not a message on Discord? OM? Where is
Oh
it?
no, it was in the New York session.
Oh, it was New York session?
Yeah, someone. So Ethan
yeah,
said,
he lost his funded.
oh, and lost 4K personal. Oh, snap.
He said he increased his risk or something. Can't remember. I can't find the comment.
Yeah, I don't know. Edwin's not here, so you know. Hopefully he's doing all right.
Yeah, he said he needs to relax mentally until August 1st. I don't blame him. It's a lot, because if we look at how many pips we lost with those 6 losing streak, especially US 30 yesterday, 170, and then you have 40 pips, then another 200 pips on US 30, and 100 pips on that. So 3
Damn.
for 510.
510.
Yeah, 510 pips. That's a lot. Shit, even for me.
And I took the loss from Asia also.
Asia.
Yeah, yesterday.
Wait, you took a sell on Asia, during Asia yesterday?
No, yesterday, the 2 days before. But you took it on your only on your
Oh, that's Friday.
no Friday, Monday.
Monday?
Oh
That's,
yeah, Monday. Yeah,
Yeah.
you took it. Remember, we were on YouTube and you were like still in the
oh,
trade.
yeah. That's... Where is it?
Yeah, so I'm like now 7 consecutive losses. All with full risk.
Is it this right here? Wait, what day was Monday?
No, it was only on your on your futures.
Oh,
Take it
my futures
with
chart.
pendings.
Yeah. 60, yeah. Wait. Yeah, right here. 80 pips. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, my futures is down right now. From 3K, I'm at 23. But have we drew $1,000 already? Yeah, man.
And I didn't imagine that will come.
Nah. I definitely didn't see 6 back-to-back losses. Happen to you only needed 1% to pass, but book your rules and go back to starting balance. Hashtag trading. That's why if you're winning now, you're on a win streak, man, you never know what's going. Once you take that one loss, you never know what's going to happen after that.
Oh yeah, I was using that risk of ruin calculator and trying to figure out how to basically use it and understand it. And I think it was like with a 75% win rate, or was it 80%? I forgot which one I was calculating because I calculated both. But if you're risking like 9% per trade, or like 75% win rate, or 80%, it was like it was like a 1% chance, like less than 1% chance that you'd actually be able to blow your account, and maybe like a 1% chance that you'll go into 50% of your account drawdown. But just by increasing it by 1% and another 1%, so let's say you go to 12% risk, all of a sudden you go to like, I think it was like 13% chance or something like that of going into 50% drawdown and like 3% chance of blowing your account. So it escalates really fast.
Yeah, man, that's crazy.
The August month for me will be a recovery month. Recovery mode.
Yeah, pretty much.
Don't spend nothing.
No more vegetables.
No more vegetable, no more Amazon. Adio.
But yeah, when you guys are like taking trades, risk management is like so crucial. I think more than 10%, like 10% per trade is just, man, you're asking for trouble. I think 5% seems like, okay, that seems high, but it's actually, you know, according to the calculator, it's like actually very doable.
And when it comes to risk, even risking 10% per trade, in my own opinion, that's actually for when you have a small account. Because in order to make any decent amount of money, then you got to increase your risk. But if you have a decent account size, said this before, at least 6 figures, you don't need to risk 10%. You can risk 1%, you can risk 2, you can risk 3, you can risk 5, because you're still going to make decent amount of money. Okay, if you risk 2%, 1%, depending on, you know, how many 6 figures you have, you can still make 1K a day because you have 6 figures. But if you have a small account, you can't risk 1%, 2%, you're not going to make anything. So, small account, you shouldn't be risking more than 10%.
Yeah, and you're down, and when you're down 50%, you need to lower the risk because you don't have leverage.
Yeah, you need to reduce the risk. How about account below $100? Should you 50%? Man, I don't know nothing about no $100 account.
Yeah, it's hard. I started with 150 euro and was like almost 3,000. Was a nice 6 months. But this is the good part after this losing week. Usually will come 7, 8 months, good months. Like February was the worst month, and then
you say you started at 150?
Yeah.
And you grew to what, 3K in 6 months?
Almost 3K.
That's not bad.
Wow.
That's actually pretty good.
Yeah, and
good.
I use these 3,000 now because it's winning money to risk 200 per trade of this. But I back this with another 2,000, for example, because if I don't have leverage, but I risk all this money like 200 per trade, like almost 1%, like in a challenge.
Yeah.
Because it's from profits.
You put 500 euros and you lost it the same day? Sheesh.
It's happened. I do it also with GJ. Goddamn GJ. I didn't have time to I see like a candle in 1 minute, and I took my stop loss and drag it, but the price come faster than my stop loss, and I was with stop loss in hand, and then triggered me.
Man,
Was like 400 pips in 2 minutes on GJ. From bank
Oh, the
intervention.
intervention.
Yeah, and was like even was not intervention, was like a tweet, and was fake news.
the sellers are really trying to step in here.
Yeah, in this candle they are trying, but
The buyers are also trying too, but shit, I wanted to come down because shit, if it keeps on going, then we gotta wait for this 4-hour resistance, the major.
the big buyer was in here, and today in Asia I saw this coming here, man. Rejected these buyers.
Man, that's exactly where I bought. Mwah, beautiful.
Very big order there.
Yeah, you saw it so clearly on the 30 seconds chart one.
But when you trade 30-second chart, what, you don't blink?
I won't even look at it.
Unfortunately, I didn't have the tick chart. I had to use the seconds chart, but it worked good.
Second charts always work good.
You said 10 seconds? I trade on the 1 hour for at least 3 years. At least. Four-hour trading on the 4 hour. Didn't like it that much. And after the 1 hour, I switched to the 30-minute, which is actually pretty good too. Then the 5 and then the 15.
Yeah, just I want to say with my 150, when I started, I risked in the beginning $30, and then 50, 70, 120, 150, 180, now 200.
Okay.
But you cannot risk more when you have so little. Even $30 is.
Yeah.
And you need to have a bit of luck. If you have a 6-7 losing streak, it's gone.
Yeah. The futures personal challenge I'm doing, I'm risking between 6 to 10. You move the markets, Gideon. How much you guys risk per trade on a 100K account? Are you talking about funded, challenge or personal? Funded. So just do this. This is what I recommend. Your maximum drawdown should be 10K, right? Is it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So since this is your maximum drawdown, this is actually what you have. Now what you can do is to risk 1 to 2% of this. But I'll recommend
10 to 20% of that.
10?
Yeah.
Of that.
1% of that is $100.
Oh, yeah. So 10 to 20%, sorry. 10 to 20%. But I'll recommend stay in that range. 10 to 20%.
Oh, he said top step. So that's only 3K.
Oh, that's
only
only
got 3K.
3K. Ooh.
It's very hard.
Yeah,
And also
I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna risk with the alpha features I just got. It's 100K. Man, I'm still trying to figure that one out.
if you have 3K, for me it will be maximum $300 and $400.
That's what I'm
Because you need to
thinking
have
of.
at least 10 trades to have a chance. If your winning rate is lower, then you risk less, 200.
That's what I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of between 300 and 500.
I think anything more than 10%,
10% is
super high
3K.
chance
It's 300,
so of
right?
3K, 300. So I wouldn't go over 300 because just from that calculator, the risk of ruin calculator, just going 1-2% above 10, you're already like increasing your chance of blowing the account by multiple times.
Yeah, go with 10%, Spence, which is 10% of 3K. Yeah, it's gonna take you some time, except if you using like if your risk to reward is like 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 or something. Just go with 10% of the 3K. I think that's what I'm gonna do too.
Yeah, and if you're down 5%, you need to lower like 200. Or if it's cheaper to buy another one and go with 10%. But if you pass the challenge, like when I'm with my funded, I will not. I decrease the risk every time I go another, because I need 8 to 10 trade every time. Because you can, if you left with 1% from the 10K, like 1,000, and you divide this by 10 trade, it will be $100 or $150 per trade, and in 6 months you will make your account back. And you increase it when you are 2% now up, you increase it, because you don't need to blow if it's a past challenge. Better start another one.
You're a US trader. What platform could you use for 10K drawdown like the whole days? Alpha Capital. That's the only one that I know of right now that I actually would recommend. That's accepting US clients. But just so you know, you got to use DX Trade. That's the platform. Boy, I'm telling you though, DX Trade, man, it freaking sucks. It sucks.
Yeah, but the US, they try to protect you, man. It's for your own good. Because if you trade MetaTrader, you'll be a losing trader. But with DX Trade,
I don't know about all that, but I don't know about the protection part. Because with Forex, because I even know I was doing it, I was withdrawing via crypto, before the whole issue with what do you call it? With meta quotes, I was withdrawing to crypto. I still do that, but I think the goal is for tax purposes. Because if with futures now, you're definitely gonna get taxed. There is no hiding. You can't hide nothing.
even I saw now, even the fivers, after you pass the challenge on the funded account, the condition are a little bit worse. The spread is a little bit bigger than on challenge.
How good is Trade Locker, Jake? I've had a few people say it's really, really good. It's just that the brokers that use Trade Locker, I don't know if I can trust them. FX is owned by Miami Trader. KOT Forex is owned by Q Banks, and I think his name is Anthony something, if I'm right. I don't know. was trying to test out Trade Locker, but I'm good with my broker for now. You love Trade Locker so far? What broker are you using with Trade Locker? Oh yeah, Trade Locker is definitely better than DX Trade is better than Match Trader. I agree. Use Osprey. Osprey is cool actually. They got good spread. If I'm to pick between Osprey FX and KOT, I'll go with Osprey FS. Come on, good. Give me that 1-to-1 after 3 years.
You guys want to have stability profit, just risk 1% each order and learn ICT concepts to now how market makers want the market to work. I 100% agree. If you want to learn how the market works, learn ICT, watch him live trade, lose 5 times in a row with him, and yeah, market makers.
Yeah, or you can go to school and hire like a bank in a bank and find out how to really banks trade. Because you will be surprised how they trade. It's very simple. They have support resistance and very big accounts.
And then they have special instruments that will, see where your demo account stop losses are so they can hunt your stop loss on your demo accounts.
Man, yeah, they will stop hunt even on your wallet. If you have $100 in your wallet, they take it for you. This is the next level. They say 70% of trades are made by algorithms.
Once London opens, you know we're in London session.
Even though it's true that like the majority of trades are algo trades, it's like it's not really the way people think of it. Like the computer's just, like thinking and knowing what to do by itself. It's like it's algo trading, but the bank has set up parameters for it's like, hey, we want to be buying down here and we want to, like hedge here and we want to bring price here and stuff. Then the algo like makes that happen for them basically. Rather than turn on algo knows how to trade. Oh, look, it's a breakout pattern here and support here, buy here and so forth.
Yeah, and I heard they have like news algorithm. In the moment the news is good, they start buying and they have.
I don't get how that works. How does the computer read the data and know what to do so fast? Like, what's it reading?
Who knows?
And it's very easy. If someone knows it, tell us.
Why do I always forget about DAS coming London session?
I think this is God. Enough, it's enough.
You might be right.
But I think DAX, even in New York session, is better than.
It's better than what?
It looks like move like slowly, nice. You have time to eat and then drink and then trade. With 30 man, it's a rocket. When you're not inside,
Man.
when you're looking, when you're in a
The
trade.
US 30 trade we took yesterday, it eventually went up.
course.
Oh, I lost a bit on that US30 trade too. I was waiting for the pullback and I bought the pullback and got stopped out for like 30 pips or something.
Compared to 170. You in bias from 2387. Let's see. I got in here on the 1 hour. Alright, 2384. Whenever I see a setup on the 1 hour or the 4, I'm just gonna start taking them. I'm just not gonna focus strictly on the 15. But my higher time frame trades is definitely going to have to be at least a 1-to-1.
And yesterday, after this losing streak, I even start to backtesting strategies and this and that.
Oh, that's what you don't want to do. The only thing you can do changes time frames. As far as strategy goes, now don't. If it was working before, don't switch. There's no point switching.
I backtested like 50 minutes supply and demand, only 50 minutes, and momentum. Man, only winners. Man, I'm on a good. I will not change nothing. It's just a month. With 50% winning, take profit. The whole month of February
only
and March.
New York, only New York.
All the supply and demand.
Yeah.
Because
After the
I have a backtest for MetaTrader. I can use it.
After the backtesting I did yesterday with the software I showed you, sent to the Discord, I'm like, man, Monday, shit, I'm definitely gonna kill Monday. And what did we have on Monday?
It was like a little bit of suicide, but it's also a kill.
Man.
Yeah, also me, man, what?
Yeah, Gideon, the buys, we took buys in US30 yesterday and we lost. And then after that, it went up.
And
what is Quant? What does that mean? Quant traders. What is Quant?
Quant come from the computers and was the best trader that this mathematician, he had made this Quant, how it's called?
You see, I think SB is Pi. I knew Pi got out of that US30 buys. I knew it. See, he made money.
Yeah, Quant traders is based on mathematics. It's like...
Well, they must be good then.
And I was not good at math in the school, so don't drink Quant. But sound good,
simple.
Quant traders.
Lucian, tell me what's happening. Who's winning, buyers or sellers? What's happening?
All this move?
No,
Only
right
sellers.
now. It's
Only
going
sellers.
side. Oh, okay.
Only sellers. They try to push back. I think it's absorption. We will see the price go up.
Okay.
Because if you have so many sellers here, why we don't fall? Something is strange.
Makes sense.
Involves the use of computer algorithms and programs based on simple or complex mathematical models to identify and capitalize on available trading opportunities.
I wanted to
interesting.
say it like this, but I don't have my words.
It's okay. I understood what you meant. That's what you meant.
Exactly. See what it means, a good community. They know what I want to say, even if I don't say it. I only say math and they knew it.
Now that I actually understand it, it actually makes sense. Question is this simple though, or is there a way to make it simple?
Hell no. Math is never simple.
That's true.
It always blows my mind.
Had this subject.
Like you see, every time there's like a mathematician, they have this huge chalkboard or whiteboard, and they'll fill the whole thing up with like numbers and brackets and hyphens and shit and ABCs and Z's. And it's like, yeah, I just solved gravity. It's like, what the fuck? What the fuck is that got to do with gravity?
Oh man.
Nothing to do but sound good.
Who invented maths? Who? I don't know. I need to know.
A lot of people. I'm one of them.
Man, in fact, I could proudly say I was the worst in my class when it comes to math, even though I wasn't, but I was that bad when it came to maths. I hated that subject. But somehow, some way, I passed it. When I was trying to get to college, we used to take this exam. It's called JAM. If you don't take it, then you can't go to college. Kind of like SAT. It's pretty much Nigerians SAT. But man, I freaking passed it. But I know why I passed it though, because I copied somebody. I copied the whole freaking thing from A to Z. Man, no. I need this maths to go to make sure I read this course.
I think the oldest evidence from math was like in the Arabia, like Sumeria and then China, Greeks. They all contribute to the math.
Now everyone is copying from me. Man, till today, I'm just thankful that I don't need maths to be a trader. Because if not, shit, I definitely will be doing something else. Definitely not trading.
You need a little bit of math, but
Hey, as long as you have calculator, you're good.
yeah, we can ask Wall or no problem.
Oh, Algebra. Yep, I hated that one. Algebra
Math is only needed for your risk management.
Yep, that's all you need it for.
Yeah, and calculate how many dollars you have in your account left.
That's funny. You went to Olympics regional maths because you copied from your colleague at some test. Now that's funny.
Oh, that's weird. AI wrote because white is white and black is black, and YouTube, like, I hid the message and showed that message.
Oh, really? Oh, I guess that's
Yeah.
why I didn't see it.
I had to press show.
Oh, they saw it as, a racist
Racist.
comment. Yeah.
Yeah, if someone want to use like a trade manager like the Lorenzo use and it's free, I can send
I'm a
for
copycat.
MetaTrader 5 or 4.
Oh, okay, cool. Is it good?
Yeah, very good. A lot of
Ah.
settings. You can enter with 3 TPs with stop loss, calculate risk, BE, a lot of
Oh, please send it in Discord. I would like to use that.
Yeah, and
but you need to-
also, you know, with trading, when it comes to risk management, there's some softwares out there that you can use for that. So even if you can't use it yourself, then just use one of those softwares.
Yeah, this one even you can set how many trades per day, what's the maximum risk, and what's the maximum lot, what's the maximum, a lot of. But I think you need to watch your.
Yeah, it's I like the trade manager Lorenzo uses actually. If we could still use MT, wait a minute. What's the name of the one Lorenzo uses? Maybe I need to get it and put it on my, because I'm still able to use MT5 with my broker.
Is the trade
What's it
manager
called?
on MT5?
Yeah, there's one Lorenzo uses. I actually like it. What's it called, Isen? I don't know if it does risk management though, because you know some of these trade manager it just like helps you manage your trade, maybe like trail your stop loss, take partials and stuff like that. Oh, you using it? Okay.
The free one is named. Wait. Position sizer. This is free, and it's very good.
Oh, it's for MT4. Oh, I don't have an MT4 account with my broker. I got MT5. Oh, I know this company. They have a prop firm. This company, Traders with Edge. I don't recommend it. $99. It's not expensive. But I use MT5. I don't use MT4, so I can't use it.
But I know another trade manager with $30 exactly like this. If I'm free and cheap, just ask me.
Send it to Discord.
This is what I will send. It's free. And you can put shortcuts. Control E.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the one he uses. Okay. It's not expensive. Which one are you talking about, Lucian?
It's called
Oh, you didn't send it to Discord?
Position
That has-
sizer. You can enter on the page and download it. Position sizers. Or I can put it on Discord.
Yeah, put it on Discord.
Well, I need to check if they had the updated version. Because they updated.
okay.
But this one is good also. You have. Or you can pay 30, 40. But you don't have all the features that you have here.
Magic Keys is good. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good, but you need to pay every month for this one.
Yeah,
Mm.
they
I
made
think
it
it's
every
nonsense.
month. The digital version used to be one-time payment, but now they did it per month payment.
Oh,
Unless you get a
I
physical version.
Oh, I have the digital one, but when I got it, it wasn't every month. It was just one time.
Yeah. Like I was thinking to actually buy it, and then I was like, maybe I don't need it. And then when I decided to buy it, they made it per month. I was a
Yeah.
bit sad.
Just for the digital, the one you actually put on your MT5 on screen. That's the one you're
Yeah.
talking about, right? The on-screen
Yeah.
one. Oh wow.
Yeah. I think it's like $14, something like that.
Yeah. I got mine for like $15 at the time. Is it Magic Keys only compatible MT5 and 4 only? I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe because since the Minion Market now uses CTrader, maybe it does work with CTrader now.
Oh, actually, I just went to their website and they made it one-time payment again. It's $37.90. It works on MT4 and MT5 and CTrader.
Oh, There you go, Sam. So it works on with CTrader now.
And it works on the Mac as well, and also on Windows.
One-time fee is okay. It's like those
Yeah.
monthly recurring is what a scam.
Damn it, I feel like I've been robbed.
Stuff like that. This just needs to be one-time payment. That's it. If someone plays an F2MO, they can test their tool. Oh, okay. F2MO has one too.
But as soon as I started using CTrader, I don't think it's necessary to use magic keys. I think CTrader has everything you need in order to manage risk.
Yeah, I was looking at CTrader, man. That platform is so freaking nice.
Yeah.
MetaTrader is trash. CTrader is nice.
I don't get it.
Yeah,
Okay,
as soon
why
as I moved
MetaTrader
to
doesn't
CTrader,
update.
sorry.
No, go ahead. Sorry.
As soon as I moved to CTrader, I just canceled my magic key subscription because I felt it wasn't necessary.
I don't know. I still like more MetaTrader.
Wait, CTrader has tick charts? Oh yeah, you guys have said that before.
Oh,
You can even backtest
yes.
on it? Oh wow.
Yeah, CTrader. Yeah, it's
That's cool.
you
That's
have a
what
lot of.
moment on DAX. Doing a bit of back testing while I wait for this trade to play out.
You're looking to take German 40 too? Yeah, I forgot about it again until you mentioned it. That's because I'm not used to trading it. It's either we reject this 30-minute demand in 1 hour or pretty much come back to the one that was retested previously. Then we'll look to take buys. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick and I'll be right back. Wow, please take over for me.
Oh, thanks, Lucian.
If you want to know how it works, you can ask me, or I can show you on New York, because it has a lot of futures. And you need to put the Shift and E, it's entry. You can use the buttons to entry, buy and sell. You don't need to use your mouse.
Beautiful.
Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, a lot of maximum of trades, maximum risk, close your MetaTrader after 3 losses.
That's kind of cool. It's good for people who have lack of discipline.
But I do it, but you always go and change.
Just go back in there and be like, nah, fuck it, let me cancel that.
Yeah, I do it.
None of my cash can fold.
You have it's like I think all this they copy this position sizer. They have even a line like your BE line. You put it where you want to go BE.
I think break even is pretty useful. Pretty useful.
You have like a spread, maximum spread. If the spread is more than 3 pips, it will not enter the trade for how much you want to be the spread.
Wow. I like that a lot. That'll
Or
stop you
slippage.
from getting slipped.
Yeah. You can input the commission, and when you put BE, it will be with the commission also.
Damn, what a that seems pretty amazing. All inclusive. Lovely.
Yeah, and it's free and work very good.
Beautiful.
You can risk fixed lot, you can risk percentage, you can risk. Okay, and you have trade hotkey. Execute the trade, you need to press shift plus T. This will execute the trade. With tab, you need to learn this because it will be very simple.
I love hotkeys. They're so useful.
With hash, you'll hide the lines. You press S where your mouse, where will be your mouse, and press S. This will be your stop loss. Where will be your mouse and press P, it will be your profit. A entry for if you want to, or you can enter. But after you will install, you will see. Very a lot of. And this version is from last year. I need to check, maybe they improved the. This is for MetaTrader 5. They have for MetaTrader 4 also. But now I know I don't use it anymore because I use fixed lots. But if you want to use pending orders and fixed risk and more TP, but if you use the more TP, like 3 TPs, they will divide your order. If you enter with the one lot and select first TP 30% and then 20% and the last one 50%, they'll divide by 3. Like position will be open like 0, 70, 30. It's
You use it all the time?
I do not use it now. I was using it in the past, but if now I use fixed lots, I don't need it anymore, and I don't have I don't close partials.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's something to be said about, the simple trading where it's just like, all right, just fix lots and then TP stop loss and that's it.
But if you use multiple pairs, it's hard to calculate this because every pairs are different. With this tool, it's easy. They calculate alone. When you enter your trade, it's like I risk 100, it will be 100. They calculate out.
Indices too.
Easy. Yeah, and it's work with indices also because a lot of trade managers don't work with indices. They don't know how to calculate it.
Oh, because of the numbers. We need a button 20 pip TP. Ah. I really like NinjaTrader, man. It's like just using it again. It's like, my God, so nice. It's like, okay, I just hit the hotkey, I buy, and then boom, I got like my 3 TP set, my stop loss, and I just adjust my stop loss and let it go. Oh, I'm testing out Quant Tower. Have you used Quant Tower much, Lucian?
I didn't manage to connect with my Rhythmic. I don't know why.
Oh, okay.
I tried all. I cannot connect with my Rhythmic account, and then I block my account. And
Oh.
But I like it more than NinjaTrader or.
It's like I've been testing it out since last night and it seems very nice, but man, there's one thing that bugging the hell out of me. If I hit the break even button, it kills my TPs. And I'm like, why would you do that? Why on earth would it delete my TPs?
Because the break even it's the TP. Because it's like, I don't know.
It should only be
Yeah, it's
moving
only
my
stop
stop.
loss, Yeah.
Yeah. Is gold moving now? No. Okay, lovely. Moving down on the 5M5.
Even though this demand here on the 1 hour is really not valid, it could just tap it and go back up from there. Why I'm not risking the sales right now.
Let's see what's Top Step doing. 53% short.
If you were here yesterday, if you remember, we were looking for sales when we started the stream. Eventually the sales even ended up playing out. Gold just wanted to push up higher before actually dropping, because it dropped afterwards. But what I'm trying to point out is that yesterday we had a bullish structure, but on the 15-minute, we could see that price was creating, lower highs, lower lows. That was what price was creating. That was why we were looking for sales, even though we understand that the higher time frame is still bullish. Now, today, overall, structure on the higher time frame is bullish. However, today, on the lower time frame, we're going to take a look at the 4 hour as well. Today on the lower time frame, we're not creating lower highs, lower low. What we have is that price is, since we create, come on. So what we have is, after we created this low, since then, price has just been creating highs and low. Previous high we broke was this, so we're pretty much expecting a pullback. How far is this pullback going to be? We do not know. Any of this minor support can freaking just reject. So I'm not willing to risk taking a sell. So rather wait for price to pull back for me to take my buy. So that is what the structure or momentum that we have today on the lower time frame. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, okay, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that as well. So the lower time frame here, we have that bullish momentum as well. Price created this support. We went up, created this high. Now this high came down, failed to break this low. Price created this support, and then we pushing up. Okay, so we are creating highs and lows. However, previously, of course, we had the lower low, lower high structure. Okay, that's what we had previously, but not anymore. And the higher time frame is bullish overall. Daily, weekly, they are all bullish. So I'm gonna wait for buys with the setup that we have today. At least the loss we took during London session yesterday, which was the sell, at least we know our analysis was right. Price just wanted to, pretty much go wasn't ready to come down. You're in sales right now to 23.85. 23.85. So pretty much around this minor support. Huh? Hopefully good gets there for you. Oh, so I'm finished. And once London session opens, you just know you're in London session.
And somehow, all the traders around the world have come to just an agreement, non-verbal agreement. Just, hey, it's London session. Let's just all stop trading. Okay, got it.
That's funny. Bye. What do you have to say to that? Oh, Dorothy. Is Dorothy here today? She might be busy.
Yeah. I was exhausted yesterday.
Oh man.
I'm here. I'm a bit tired. I did Asia.
Yeah, Asian session. We were looking for sales.
Okay.
But I took buys on futures and Forex. I couldn't send the trade. Actually, the reason why I didn't send it was because I took it on the 1 hour. That's why I didn't send it. And I don't think any one of you trades on the 1 hour or the 4 hour for that matter.
I'm asleep at that time anyway.
Especially the day that I took that US 30 buys on the 4 hour, and Shit, pretty much all of you didn't take it.
Have a look at US. Are you looking at US 30 now as well?
Huh?
US 30. Are you looking at it
Oh,
now?
you in US 30? Oh,
I'm looking at it. I'm scouting for a buy. Yeah, there's no demand is hefty.
we can take this on a 5-minute.
Who knows? It's pretty low. I'll probably miss it.
Exactly where I've got my entry, that Abe.
Oh, that's where you had your entry?
Yep.
Okay.
I know I'm on the right path when that happens.
Yeah, you're on the right part. This is German 40, guys. For some of you, it might be called DAX or still German 30. The plus will be 40 pips.
That DAX almost looks similar to the US 30 chart
Huh?
as well. The DAX chart looks similar to the US 30.
Oh,
I didn't
really?
realize. Yeah, what I'm looking at the moment. This is not exactly the same.
You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. You're on step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach.
Oh, I was about to take it. I mean, buy is on German 40. If you don't trade this pair, you don't have to take it. You say, oh, King Abe took it, so I'm gonna just take it too. German 40, do your magic.
Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, just the 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that limit squeeze. We're known for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. On track, now we going way up. Way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage and say sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. On track, now we going way up.
Romario, I don't understand French, so I can't read what you just wrote.
Is that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Let me see. I've heard that.
We left for a few minutes and we're already in. Oh, yeah, we're already in.
So he says something. He says your real one. You know, you're really good. He says he doesn't. I think he means. Anyway, he has subscribed to you basically, and he's trying to do his best to understand.
Oh, okay.
And he thanks you for your good work.
I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gonna make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in. I get it in, I get it in. For my wins.
Says he just subscribed, right?
itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gas on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit on a cake. $500,000 on the way, then $1,000,000 on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, from the rags to rich.
There's no music on Zoom.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it seems like it stopped.
Oh, sorry, guys. It should be playing now.
Yeah.
And 20 for me here. God bless Ducks.
I know, right?
And but on IC market you don't
trading.
have commission on Ducks also. Nice. Ooh, I forgot to.
If you've got 20 already, I don't know what you want to do. Either close most stops and leave the rest to run for 1-to-1 if that's what you want to do.
There we go.
I just did mine at 20. So if you took this trade, got 20, let me spam W's in the chat.
Man, I just used one lot as it was the first trade I've ever taken on it, and I got like $20.
And on Alpha Capital you need to exactly what it's gold, but 10 times more. If you use one lot in gold, it's 10 lots on indices.
20 lots next time.
You're welcome, Ronaldo.
$20, Ferrari.
You should have used that list 10.
List.
Man.
Yeah.
But now you know.
Now I know. Yeah.
Nice.
But right now, don't do more than 10 because, yeah, you know, we're just trying to get back to winning ways.
Yeah, with the 10 lots and 40 pips stop loss is like $400 on Alpha.
Yeah.
0.5%. Okay. Yeah, I risk on my funded $300. I made 160 and close all. And it, because I'm down, I only have like 2% left, and I cannot risk.
Yeah.
I will not blow this account. Oh.
I only took it on Forex. I don't want to mess with DAX and futures.
Yeah.
Did you take this trade, Wow?
No.
Oh, I forgot you say you don't like DAX.
Oh no, it's not because of that. I was just like, not really feeling it because I don't know. I just didn't feel like bringing up the chart and analyzing it. I was like, can't be fucked.
For me, it's like it's not so much drama like American indices.
I
For
will
now-
say, I think DAX is moving better than gold during London from just the past few sessions that I've looked.
Even in New York moves nice. You will see if you look. It's like if you look U.S. indices, they got the low out and then push up. DAX didn't go the low.
Oh
out
yeah,
and push
Lucian,
up.
I was gonna tell you. So this journal, I can't add anything else, and if I do it from the setup page, so now I want to add German 40, and I go back to the journal. It doesn't. Oh, okay. All right. It didn't work with Okay, it didn't work with so right here. So the gold trade was 1 hour. Let me see if I can do it here.
And setups.
See if it's gonna pop up. You see, this is the issue. It doesn't show on entry types. That's why I left it blank. I don't know why.
I think just let me look on mine. Mine work.
Oh, I don't know why mine didn't work. I don't know why it's not working.
You put it on the entry. Yeah, wait a minute. On the entry setup.
Yeah, that's where I put it, but hold on.
On the setup types, it's work.
Back to winning ways. Let's go.
Yep.
Number 1 in the books.
Okay, so you said I should go to setup type.
Yeah.
Oh, it should be entry types. Is it right here? Setup types. It's already there. It's already there.
And if you go to journal,
Oh, it should be entry type. Okay. Entry type. That's where it should be. I'm tripping. But there's no more space for it.
you can do it. You can put the mouse here on the corner.
Uh-huh.
Put the and drag it one more. Where is the dot? You appear one dot. Click it and drag it down. Down. No, on the dot.
What dot?
If you put the mouse here, only put it there.
Uh-huh.
Click.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Okay. And then leave it.
it's not. It didn't work.
Wait, wait.
Oh, let me try it.
Yeah, it worked, but one click. You need to make one click.
Oh, it's not. The box is not there.
Now go here back. Do where is the back? Here,
Nope, it's not there.
here. Go back. Undo it, and go to setups. Okay. And do the same. One click in the corner. And you need to have the first time it's what good. Not in the corner. One click here. You need to appear one button there, like one now.
Oh,
Drag
okay.
below one row. Click and drag the click on the little dog.
Okay.
And now you can change this. Because if you do it like this, they copy the formula also.
Does it trade April win?
What the hell? Why is it not showing that? It's still not showing.
Wait a minute, go back to journal. I don't know why. I think wait a minute.
Because I should even be able to do it here if I click on this button. The pen, it should say there should be like a plus sign right here. Oh, it's not there. That's why
you can do it like
that's why it's not showing. I don't know. Damn, it's pulling back again. That's not good.
okay, if you go back to the journal. Press here where it need to be. Press on edit here.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
Here. Press here. And then delete this. Backspace. Okay, go back to setup.
I should click OK?
No. Go back to little like that. Go back to setup. And select all this. No, all. Okay. And then press OK here.
Oh, shoot.
Press. Okay, press OK there. And then here done. And allow to all. Normal now need to work.
Yep. Now it works. That's crazy. How do you know this?
YouTube. But when Alex is here, he's working on this. He knows better. But I think Alex is not here. It's like a work every day in himself.
Okay. Now I know what to do. Man, I can't do this. I'm gonna get out. It's taking too long. It's taking too long. Hey, I still go 50 though.
I commend your efforts. You held on real long.
Like, man. Yeah, New York. Oh, if there's like an early Asian session trade, then it'll be better. Oh, gotta change the amount. Oh, I'm missing something in the new journal. Shit, I'm gonna just leave it like that. Missing one withdrawal. Okay, let's see if gold is gonna give us a setup, because I know some of you don't trade GM40, so hopefully we get a setup on gold. Now I'd like to see if GM40 is gonna give a 1-to-1. David, you still in? Trying to get 1-to-1?
No, came out.
Why is gold now moving? Man, Janice, you know that's how gold reacts now during London session.
Man, the loose streaks cannot continue, man. A good part every like best week or month, then will come the good months. Like after February, then come the heaven. But you know, you need to make a visit to hell sometimes to realize how good it's in heaven.
Oh, gotta do same thing here. Okay, I guess I gotta do the same thing we did. What did you tell me to do? Oh, delete this. Trying to remember.
And select here, because you need to select what you need to go, and go to setups, and it will be the menu where you want to, and this or what you change.
Oh,
in
shit.
setup.
Why is this not showing though?
Yeah, okay. Go setup. Go in setup.
I didn't.
But don't click OK. You need to leave. You need to leave this open. The tab.
So like this. I then go to setup. And then
you can type here what you want to add, like 1 hour demand or 1 hour previous 1 hour break. Yeah, and we can add 4 hour also if you want to take like some swing trades. Previous candle break 4 hour. And then select all these. You see how
And
the rose
then-
is here, and then OK.
and then
Done. And apply it all.
Alright, cool. Okay.
And go to start to see if it's
Yeah,
on
it's-
stars also. On the date you can do also like you drag like, okay, you know.
Oh, I didn't click done. Shit. Well, it's there. Setup. Yeah, everything is there.
No, on stats.
Yeah, it's there.
See if we have.
Oh, stats. Yeah, it's there.
Yeah, that's okay. Usually till now, DAX, all the trades was 1-to-1. They give 1-to-1 all the trades.
Yeah. Can I please share the journal template? The link is in the description, Mugisha. And then just copy and paste. Copy. You got to make a copy.
Yeah, make a new copy.
Can you trade German 40 on top step? I don't know. No, you can't. I don't think so. I've been forgetting to picking the updates, the trades, checking.
I think I will trade DAX in New York also.
It moves well down in New York? Yeah, I don't
At
think
least
so.
the stop loss it's like NAS and US 30, but the stop loss it's smaller and usually will give 50%, like yesterday. If you took the trade like the US 30 with DAX, we had like 50%.
Damn,
and then
she moved very well down in New York yesterday.
yeah. For example,
Okay.
it's smoother, the stop loss is smaller and tend to give 50%.
Interesting.
It's not so manipulated like US 30 and NAS.
I don't know if I'd say that gold is dumping. It's twitching. I don't know if it's.
I just took a look
dumping.
at gold. I was like, it's dumping. I'm
20
looking at
pips.
it, and it's like, wait, what?
Okay.
What?
All right. She's not bad though in New York.
Yeah. Like,
Gold dumped 8 pips.
even yesterday, if you go from the yesterday,
Yesterday.
was like the same
Who
trade,
Abe-
like US30,
who Abe was gonna
but
start?
this was a winner.
Who Abe was gonna start
This
too.
is the open. I think with DAX, I don't know if you need to wait for the US Open, because
Yeah,
you
I'm
don't
gonna
have this crazy move on the Open.
I'm gonna have to look into it. Look into that. Just trying to see what could be if we're actually gonna trade this. I'm trying to see where our entry will be. I don't know.
I
this
think
one,
here was a demand
I
on the
might
left.
taken this. Yeah, but you had this.
Break.
Yeah,
minor.
look up this low here. Okay, we'll say 40 to 50 pips. That's not bad. But I gotta backtest that though before I can say it's good to trade though in that one.
Like,
I mean, I don't know. So what's the difference? So the volatility, what's the difference? Because if you can get 40, 50 pips down in London and then you get the same thing down in New York. So when does the volatility increase? Or it just stays the same?
yeah, it's not so crazy in New York.
It's not crazy. It's not so crazy right now either.
Yeah, it's more crazy in New York than London. It's more volatile in New York.
What?
A little bit more volatile. Yeah.
Isn't German 40 has to do with Europe?
Yeah, but a lot of traders are from
Trading it down in
USA
New York.
trade DAX.
You can just imagine last week before Friday we were like at 82-83% for this month, and we went from that all the way down to 74.
Nah, I posted in Discord Friday I had the money for the Ferrari wheel, and now they gone. I have just the logo, but the fake logo, Chinese logo.
Once Friday came, we went down from 82, 83 to now 74.
I'm more down. I'm like, for the July, I'm 63. My win rate.
So from April till now, we've pretty much stayed in this 70% zone, except for January and March. I know what was about those 2 months. March is still the best, almost 90%. Oh man, March was incredible.
I'm on DAX. Someone still in?
Oh, you got a runner?
No. Man, I don't need runners now, I need money.
You're still in TB? Oh, okay. I'll move my stops to BE because here on the 5 minute, if this minor support gets taken out, that's not good. It could come down and break this low.
Yeah, and you have a no top wick. It can come and make a wick to this candle, like a magnet. Like here.
It has
also.
no reason. If it wants to go up, it should break the highs. It should break these highs. That's what I'm saying. After retesting this demand, this support formed should break the highs. All right, go pull. Oh damn, it's past 4. This is probably gonna be a pre-New York setup. Oh, you missed it, Eddie? Oh, I guess you just joined. We probably just more volume doing NY. Oh yeah, pretty much.
Stepping, I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why. I never doubted me why. I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for win. I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend. Only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids. That's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends. Had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win. You know you win if I win.
Based on the 30-minute, if we can tap this 30-minute here, we could buy. It's just that it's so close to this minor resistance here, 4-hour minor resistance. But we'll see if it's going to tap it. If we do tap it, we can take buys if we start breaking pretty much this minor resistance right here. But we got to tap it first.
Digital.
Right, trade US oil. I used to. That was last time we traded US oil was last year. I haven't taken US oil this year though. I don't trade it anymore.
Oh, didn't you take it like a couple months ago?
Take it, I didn't. When I added it on stream, right? Wasn't when you're talking about? I didn't take US oil this year.
Oh, okay.
At all. I don't have it in my journal. Or did I?
I can't remember. I know you had the charts up, but I can't.
Yeah, I didn't take it this year at all. Remember, I was looking at it on stream, but I never took the trade. I think gold is sitting on resistance at 23.88. I'm waiting for buys. What Alpha Capital just disappointed you? They refused to give you your live account. Why? What the hell doing KYC verification process? What?
Where are you from, Neville?
Zimbabwe.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta be so careful with that KYC. If there's anything,
they don't accept Zimbabweans, Zimbabwe residents.
I don't know about that, but I think they require really specific details like driving license, passport, bills, whatever, just to prove your identity. If there's any sort of discrepancy in there, they won't issue it. So yeah, reach out to them. Definitely reach out to them. Find out what the problem was.
Yeah, reach out to them, because if they don't, they're gonna give you your money back now.
And it was a Zimbabwe passport?
Huh.
And that you're trading in that country still? Yeah, reach out to them, man. Find out.
Because if you were able to get an account, yeah, they should give you the live account. But reach out to them, send them an email, see what they say. Because I just saw Dorothy's comment. She said that she had the same issue, but she has it now. And Dorothy is from the UK. Yeah, there might be an issue somewhere.
That's so dodgy. Can you imagine? It's like, it's okay for you to, buy our accounts and spend money, but oh, you passed? Now let's check. Oh, nope.
Yeah, they all do that. Yeah. They all do.
That's the thing that I found. That's the only, and it's not just Alpha Capital. I think that they've got to be better at the advanced community. You pass phase 1, they should check. They shouldn't even let you buy it without checking. For me, the KYC should be done at the start.
I agree. It should be done at the start.
Yeah.
They offer to refund you your money back. Okay. Well, yeah, that's better. If they're gonna get, as long as they're gonna give you your money back, then that's better.
Yeah.
It's just that you wasted all that time to pass the challenge, phase 1 and phase 2. But at least they're gonna give you your money back. So that's fair. That happened to you with Equity Edge. Yeah, the KYC should be done from the beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Was that hard work?
these prop firms are not very good at the being proactive towards their communication. Like, I think I've seen a couple of people, they do all the hard work, they request they pay out, and then they get done for copy trading or group trading, and then it's like, well, come on, mate, you know that they've been trading for the last month. Come on, surely you could have picked it up a bit earlier.
And I'm pretty sure
they could.
and I'm pretty sure they know that some traders that trade pro firm, they still use signals, or they're in a mentorship program, they still take, just like what we're doing right now. So I'm pretty sure they know.
Yeah, I think, but since you got an account, I started to take slightly different trades and different entries because I don't want us to get flagged.
Well, that's a thing. Right. You know.
Yeah, you don't want to get fucked by group trading.
You know.
Yeah, they could probably flag you if, like, all of a sudden it's like 100 Alpha Capital traders. They took the exact same trade at the exact same time.
Yeah, I feel like the
Then
ones
it's
that
like, what's up?
Yeah, I feel like the ones that do get called out on that is, those ones that actually use signals, and they have like TP1, TP2, TP3, and you just take the trade and have, TP1, TP2, TP3, because they know the real traders that take their own trades really don't trade like that. If you want to do that and you're taking somebody's signals, just trail your stop loss. That way they won't know.
I'd say we're all different enough that it's not a problem, but you don't want to take the risk.
Yeah. Equity
I
edge.
went too hard to get.
Equity edge never give you your money back. Oh damn, you should run away. Don't use them. A company like that, they're gonna have issues paying out. Gold buys right now? No. No, sir.
Not today.
I'm gonna need gold to actually tap the 30-minute demand, and that candle has to either be a bearish candle or a doji candle.
I think the key thing to remember with these prop firms is even the legit ones, even like FTMO, 5%, whatever, they are businesses there to make money. So you always just got to be mindful of that. We're not entitled to anything. You just got to stick to the rules, trade their way, and just be smart. Just be smart around it. If they can find a way to just take your money and run, then they're probably going to. But what business doesn't?
Yeah. Oh yeah, KDB, you're right. Our entry is never gonna exactly be the same. Yeah, you're right. That's why I feel like using multiple TPs is actually how they know that somebody's taking signals. Can I explain the German 40 setup? It's pretty simple. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame here. If you see this German 40 and gold actually looks the same on the 4-hour. So from this high at 18,781, this high in return created this low. Okay. Now, once we created this low, actually let's do it this way. Should be easy. So this high on the 4-hour created this low. this low created this high. Now this high on the 4-hour created this low. Now pay attention to what happened from here. Now this high, this low is coming off of, before that, sorry. This low created this minor high. Let me leave it right there. Now, before we created this minor resistance on the 4-hour, we are coming from this demand on the 4-hour. Okay, we're coming from the 4-hour demand. Now, once we created this low here, like I was saying earlier, this low created the high. Now, the high was taken out. So since the high was taken out, we have a new high created. So this new high on the 4-hour, minor high, because it's lower than this high to the left, created this low on the 4-hour. And now we're definitely expecting a pullback or a bullish continuation back to the major high of this low down here, if that makes sense. Now, to make it more clearer, if we go to, let's say, the 15-minute. If we go to the 15-minute, the minor high right here was taken out, and you have aggressive move to the upside. Aggressive move to the upside, and because you trade supply and demand, you sit back, wait for price to pull back to the demand, and you take the continuation back to the upside. So it's pretty much the bullish momentum on the 15-minute. All right, does that make sense? Momentum. You're welcome. Once you identify the overall structure of the higher time frame, you still have to take a look at the structure of the time frame you're trading on. Look at the structure of the time frame you're trading on, and also look at the momentum that you have. Do you have a bullish momentum, or you have a bearish momentum? Oh, so if you can see, the 4-hour looks similar to the 4-hour on GM40. So this is the 4-hour on GM40, and take a look at gold on the 4-hour. Don't they look similar? You have a support here on the 4-hour. You got a demand right here to the left. Price came back down there, rejected. So pretty much similar to GM40 on the 4-hour time frame. And we got a bullish momentum right now. We're just waiting for price to give a setup. Just finding it hard to break this high now. Check 1 hour, and 1 hour is forming. You talking about GM40, or you talking about gold? Are we already in? If you're talking about GM40, we already took GM40. Gold, we're still waiting.
Okay, team. I need to go. I don't think we'll see you in New York. Maybe late if you still here. Thank you
Oh
for
no, I'm not gonna be here
the
to New
bags.
York.
Yeah, I need to go. I have
All
some
right.
stuff to do.
All right.
Buy
See you.
those vegetables, my guy.
Yeah, I
See
have
you
money. I
later.
go to the market, man. My tomato is here.
See
Ciao.
you later.
Yeah, man.
Gold is forming M on the 1 hour. M on the 1 hour. I don't see M pattern here on the 1 hour. You see it well?
No.
I don't see it. This is what I see. This is what I see on the 1 hour. This is what I see. Pretty much W. I don't see M. Yeah, last leg of the W. Yep. If any, yep. There you, yep. Get a bit. Exactly. I see W. I don't see M. Oh yeah. Yeah, Kiddabe, didn't we talk about that the other day? I don't know if it was on stream or on YouTube, that whether it's an M or a W, that last leg is what you want to catch. Just like when you have, so M, you have this. Sucker drawing, man. This. It might not be like, it might not be this, no. It might not really be accurate, this accurate. So the last leg, this last leg is what you want to catch. Same thing with W. The last leg is what you want to catch. Bam, the last leg is what you want to catch. That last leg is what's going to eventually break these highs. If price comes down and break these lows and you see a W pattern, it's time to look for sales. But if price comes back, because this move to the upside, you could have a demand right here where this first line is. You could have it here, you could have a demand here, depending on the time frame, and price could pretty much reject the lower demand where the bullish move started from instead, and we start going back up again to break these highs. So as long as this low does not get taken out where the move started from, you're still good to take buys. Just like we're doing with gold now. You trade M and W's? No. It's easier to spot on the higher time frame. You watch the 1 hour? Yep, 1 hour. Yeah. Execute on the 5. If anyone wants to learn anything called pattern, W's and M is what you need to learn. Everything else, scrap it. Anything else about candlestick pattern, you really don't need it. It's just a waste of time, I tell you. Well, we all know when you're just starting out, they'll tell you you gotta learn candlestick pattern.
First in and the last out. Never tried to go the fast route. Marathon, not a race. Putting hours in, I cash out.
Okay. Yeah, gold is taking our time here. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. YouTube, all my links is down below in the description. Thank you guys for showing love, always up and on the live stream. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Same time, same station. Peace, I'm out. Alright, Zoom. I'll see you guys during NY. Hopefully we're back to winning ways.
All right, thanks, Abe.
Alright, guys.
Thanks, man.
See you guys later.
Bye, Ram.
Sticking to the plan still. No bots on my fans real. Stay true on the man still. Losses got you bent up. All that ain't go pent up. See you in my inbox, but everybody can't come. I worked hard for this, putting hours, got scars from this. No sleep, I just toss and turn, thinking about how hard it get. I've been chilling with my family now. You've been chilling with the party, yeah. Putting reps cause they called my bluff. Got one shot to get all these dubs. And we on. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Switch. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. Switch. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds. Yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets on the first in and the last out, see me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot. Hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate, this is what passion is. This here, nah, this is no accident. From the start to the finish, I'm cashing in. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Switch. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. Switch. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds. Yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. Been poppin', Sports Center from a little I was watching. Spin a bag like I'm Rafa, call that top spin. How could I not win? This is top 10. From the bottom, gotta sniff out the top wins.